Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to a new video for Finnabair. Today I will be creating small mixed media Christmas tree. Starting with a piece of cardboard, it was a back cover of the watercolor paper. So I drew a little tree which will be 12 centimeter wide, 15 centimeter tall, and the 16 centimeter on the longest side. And also I created a little base for it, which has 5 centimeter tall and 12 centimeter wide. And the base I will cut twice and then glue two bases together. Next step is to cover my cardboard pieces with white gesso. Now I will be creating the trunk for my tree out of the paper. I'm just using craft paper and rolling it and gluing. And the width of the paper depends on how tall you want your tree. Trunk can be thicker or thinner, depends how you want it. And then I will be covering it with the string. I used brown string here, but of course you can use different colors, or later you can also paint the string if you want. I'm creating holes in both pieces of my base, then I will glue them together. The hole is for the trunk to glue in later. I left a little bit of the trunk without the string so I can glue it into the hole in the base. I will decorate the tree with the lace. I have different colors and sizes of the lace. I'm working from the bottom to the top of the tree. And to make it even more pretty, I'm just going to add few metal elements. Then I'm going to create some texture on the base. I'm using the gel medium and cheesecloth, and then I will also use the texture paste and some micro beads to add even more texture. I thought the tree will be more festive with few little stars. I just love those metal elements. They really add an interesting touch to my decoration. To blend a little bit all elements together, I'm using white gesso and dry brush, and then also the same paste I was using on the base. I'm just adding it on the tree. It has beautiful pieces, like glittery pieces in it, and it looks very, very wintry. Time to glue both pieces together, and the tree is ready. That will be all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment and also visit Finnabair blog and other social media accounts for lots of wonderful inspirations. Take care, everyone. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.